Ultra Mobile, as of September 2025, provides multiple ways to reset your voicemail password. Since voicemail uses a PIN based system for security, resetting the password PIN is crucial if you've forgotten it or suspect unauthorized access. The primary methods include using the Ultra Mobile Visual Voicemail app, dialing short codes, or contacting customer support. The app is generally the easiest method, offering biometric authentication for password resets. First, let's reset your voicemail password using the Ultra Mobile Visual Voicemail app. This method is quick and secure, especially with biometric options. If the app method doesn't work, try using short codes to access your voicemail directly from your phone's dialer. If the previous methods fail, contact Ultra Mobile customer support for assistance. They'll guide you through the reset securely. Remember to choose a strong PIN of at least 6 to 8 digits, avoiding repeating numbers or easily guessable sequences. Keep it secure and change it periodically for better protection.